Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to change Spotify password. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Spotify on a device and tap the three dots at the top left. Hover over Help and tap Spotify Help. A browser tab will open, so tap Can't Reset Password. Scroll down and under Invalid Password Reset link, tap Reset Your Password. Here, enter your username or email address linked to your Spotify account and tap Send. An email will be sent to your address, so open the mail and tap the Reset Password link. A new tab will open. Here, create a new password and re-enter the password to confirm. Tap Send. So that's how you change Spotify password. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.